Would you like to help reduce stormwater runoff? Hi, I'm Rory McNish, and this is a Marine Minute Monday. Installing a rain garden is an effective way of doing just that. Rain gardens are becoming increasingly popular in our home landscaping. The design of a rain garden is a dug shallow depression designed to capture and soak up stormwater runoff from your roof or other impervious areas around your home. They can also be used as a buffer to shoreline areas and capture runoff from home landscaping before it enters our waterways. The rain garden is planted with suitable trees, shrubs, wildflowers, and other native plants you'd expect to see in any garden. In addition to reducing and filtering stormwater runoff and increasing groundwater recharge, rain gardens provide many other benefits such as providing habitat for wildlife and requires less maintenance than lawns because they do not need to be mowed, fertilized, or watered once established. The bottom line is rain gardens are a simple way to make a difference. This has been a Marine Minute Monday produced by Cornell Cooperative Extension Marine Program.